Massive protests rock Ogun State over Naira scarcity as protesters again burn banks. Again, protests has erupted in Ogun State over the Naira scarcity. 2 banks set on fire in Shagamu area. On Monday, shows many residents watched as Kingston and Union Bank were set ablaze with some youths holding planks in the protest. On Friday last week, we report also that protests erupted in Mowe, Ibafo area of the state, with many residents blocking the Lagos-Ibadan expressway. Protests over hardship caused by the scarcity of the Naira. Meanwhile, on Thursday last week, the President Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired, and the national brokers has said that old 500 and 1,000 Naira were no longer legal tendered in the country. However, extended the validity of the old 200 Naira note for 60 days till April 10, 2023. Meanwhile, President Muhammadu Buhari retired has admitted that Nigeria is suffering because of some policy implemented by his government. This was stated in a statement released by Garba Shehu, Senior Special Assistant on Media and Publicity to the President via his verified Twitter account. In the statement released on Sunday, President Muhammadu Buhari appealed to Nigeria to exercise patience, saying his government has embarked on a step to ease the hardship. Nigeria has continued to lament the hardship caused by scarcity of petrol. Likewise, many business kindly advise your friends, family to avoid violent protests. Do not burn down banks. Do not burn petrol stations. It will bring more hardship to the state.
ní Ogun State níbi tí àwọn obìnrin ti ń ṣe wọ́n fi ìfẹ̀hónú hàn látàrí pé wọ́n kó owó náírà àtijọ́ wá sí báǹkì tí wọn ò sì gbà. Bí ẹ ṣe ń wò níwájú yìí wọ́n ti dí ọ̀nà ní Ṣàngó, ọ̀nà tó ń lọ láti Èkó lọ sí Abẹ́òkúta níwájú báǹkì wọ́n fi ṣe ìfẹ̀hónú hàn yìí ní báyìí. Ní báyìí a ó bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ láti mọ ìdí tó fi dí ọ̀nà. Ẹ káàsán mà, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣe lè sọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bì báyìí fún wa.
Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà nígbà débi tá a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ jà wọ́n gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ní Buhari ní káwọn má gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ní Buhari ní káwọn má gbowó ọmọ láti bọ̀ fún Buhari o Buhari bá ti wá jẹ́ láti bọ̀ fún Buhari tán Buhari dà wá Buhari dà wá Buhari kò tẹ́ẹ̀dì wá Buhari kò tẹ́ẹ̀dì àwa obìnrin o.
Ìgbà wo lẹ kó owó wá sí báńkì tó gbà lọ́wọ́ yìí?
Bá a ṣe dé ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ láàárọ̀ ìwọ̀n ọ̀gbà lọ́wọ́ wa. Ọ̀gbọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ wa fún ọmọ wa bá ń lé o.
Màmá kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ọmọ ìjọba ògbówó lọ́wọ́ wa ni. Wọ́n gbowó.
Ìgbà wo lẹ kówó wá?
Àwọn ẹlẹ́jọ̀ ògbówó lọ́wọ́ wa. Wọ́n gbowó owó ìlà fi ń jẹun. Kájọ bá ń ṣe àyíkọ́. Ìlera yìí pọ̀ o. Ìlera yìí pọ̀ o. Fásitì àánú o. Owó ìlà fi ń tọ́jú ara wa. Owó ìlera o. Ọmọ
ọlọ́pàá lọ́dẹ yẹn tí àwọn obìnrin sì ń pariwo lé wọn lórí.
This is ODUA TV Watch. My name remains Oluwabukunmi, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.